As my office works to aggressively prosecute those who commit crimes against children, the last thing that we want to do is put a child through any more trauma in the process. That's why our new facility, made possible through our valuable partnerships, is so important. The Child Advocacy Center is designed around those who deserve our protection and our compassion.
The District Attorney's Office, with the support of our partners such as the Center for Family Strengthening and the Health Agency, has created a child-focused location that will allow for the comprehensive delivery of services for victims of child abuse. That's the San Luis Obispo County Child Advocacy Center. Child victims will now have one location where law enforcement, family advocates, and medical professionals will provide specialized services to best assure the health and safety of the child. The District Attorney's Office is committed to holding those accountable who harm our children and will work collaboratively with our partners to support and guide families compassionately through the criminal and victim justice system.
Confidentiality is the cornerstone of child abuse investigations. This space will ensure that children and families can access services and make sure that their safety and well-being is assessed appropriately. There is a team of doctors, nurses, forensic interviewers, and advocates that are available at all times to assist law enforcement and child welfare services during child abuse investigations.
Our role as an advocate would be to provide emotional support to the client and their non-offending caregiver during this process. As you can imagine, this is something really hard for them to come forward and talk about the situation that has happened. Providing that emotional support and being there with them through this process and the day of the appointment. For a lot of caregivers, having just someone there to support them and it help them answer questions is very meaningful to them.
I'm pleased to share that forensic medical services through the San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department will be provided in this co-located Child Advocacy Center. Through this joint endeavor, we strive to provide the children and their families in our community with the highest professional, compassionate, and seamless services.
With Center for Family Strengthening, collaborating with the District Attorney's Office, the Public Health Department SART program is very important because that family is not having to go from one agency to the other to receive services. So bringing in a partnership with all the other agencies really helps the family navigate through the services and the resources that they need.
Law enforcement responds along with child welfare services to allegations of child abuse, and these calls for service can obviously be very traumatic in nature. So it is our job and it is our top priority not just to investigate these calls for service, but to be able to ease the tensions of the family members and the children that are involved, along with CWS, and inform them of the resources that the Child Advocacy Center has and can guide them through this process in the least traumatic way.